you want to get better at overhand serving, here's a few tips. It's Brianna Francis, and here's my go-to serving routine. First things first, we're going to start with our left foot forward. Now the footwork for an overhand serve is super simple. So we have our left foot forward, and then our first step is also going to be with our left foot. So our left foot is doing two movements, in front and then forward. 1, 2. And there you'll notice that my right foot will drag. So you have your left foot forward, and then you're gonna step and drag. Now for you lefties, just switch your feet. Okay, so let's take it from the top. So we're gonna have our left foot forward, and then we're gonna take our first step with our left, drag our right. Step, drag. Here's an example of what you don't want your footwork to look like. See how my right foot came in front of my left foot? We don't want that. Here's what we do want. Left foot forward, left foot step, right drag. Super simple. Now let's talk about the toss. You can toss with one hand or you can toss with two, which is my favorite. If you're tossing with one hand, it's gonna be your non-dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so my tossing hand would be my left hand. So as you're tossing, you're going to be simultaneously stepping. Let's do it all together. So left foot forward, left foot step, toss at the same time. It's very important that you keep your toss in front of you because you want to build a forward momentum on your serve. If you toss the volleyball on top of your head or behind your head, you're going to be losing a lot of that forward momentum, power, and speed. A good way to practice your footwork and your toss is to think in your head, step toss. When you do that, you want to make sure that you can see the volleyball in front of you. So the volleyball's in front of me here. Here, the volleyball's on top of my head. And here, the volleyball's behind me. All right, last tip. When it comes to the actual contact of the ball, we want to make sure that we're doing two things. First, we want to make sure that our hand is as big as it can get. And second, we want to make sure that it's only contacting our palm. The best way to do this is to pull your fingers all the way back so that you can contact only the palm. As we're going to serve the ball, we want to make sure that our elbow is nice and strong and we're finishing with our hand flat. Imagine there's a line here and you don't want your elbow to come underneath that line. So elbow back and then keep your elbow on that line. Put it all together and count your aces.